got time to fuck with me. Even if I wanted smoke, ain't got that kind of luxury. Kind of shit we own, gotta modify your company. Most that goofy shit they do, I ain't on it luckily. Blessed and composed, next to be chose. Fresh fitted clothes from my neck to my toes. I execute flows, excellent at those. Don't make me stretch you,
Right. Oh yeah, this is fire right here. Literally the green room.
Plenty of cold water too in the bucket and I'll save the water.
Do you think I'll be able to take a picture after? Okay, I'll be back to the box. Thank you.
Like, check, like, you know that 240 is like stage 240. Knocking out here. Coming right now, dog. Coming right now. Right here. Right now.
Everything good with you? All right. Peace, beloved. Everything good, brother? You all ready? All right.
You gotta know the next to Washington. Understand your cultural freedom. So equally with the God. True, man. Grow your cipher.
Amazing. Take care.
That's Mike Tyson right there. That's Mike Tyson right there. That dude knocked your ass out.